Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is AJ at your service. It's always a misconception that we kids can do nothing but play video and online games here and there. Well, though it's sometimes true because of the advent of technology. Cool games abound the World Wide Web. But in today's video, we will debunk the idea that we kids are only good playing and wasting our precious time playing video and online games. We kids can be as productive as anyone else if we want to. So this is what we're gonna do. In this channel, we will make a series of video showing us kids do something useful DIYs, normally done by grown-ups. And you will be amazed that after this video, our parents will love us more and costly DIY repairs are nothing but things of the past. To start off in today's video, I will show you the actual tile setting DIY for kids. Yes, you heard that right, tile setting. Who would have thought? So, let's get it on. Here are the materials we are going to use. Guys, you can get a tile from any hardware store near you. In my case, I bought from All Home, which is just a few blocks away from my place. And because they sell a wide variety of hardware supplies, name it, they definitely have it at the right price. So as you can see, the tile I bought cost 32 pesos from its original price of 37 pesos. So that means I've got a discount of 5 pesos. Cool! Moving on, also bought tile adhesive ABC, Mosaic, Tile and Grout brand from the same store for 62 pesos. But any brand of tile adhesive will do, I guess. So the idea here is whatever you have handy. Hello there everybody. So today we are fixing a broken tile, which is just right here. So yeah, as you can see, it's all broken and stuff. You can lift this. See, look at all of the dirt that's accumulated over time. So today, this is the tile we are going to fix. So what you would want to do right now is what I'm doing, which is taking out all of the broken pieces carefully. So that's what you want to do, and look at that. Look at the dirt. Look at those. Okay, so right now we want to clean this spot right here where the broken tile was. You can use a broom or whatever you have in your house that can sweep away this. In my case, I have a trusty brush over here, so let's just start cleaning this slowly. Slowly take it all in one spot. All of that dirt into this corner. It's easier for you to broom it later on, broom it away, sweep it away. See, look at that. Slowly. Alright guys, as you can see, I have cleaned all of the dirt, and you can also see that there is no more dirt there. We have a clean surface, and here are the tile pieces. They're all broken. Now we can actually start working on it right now, but I think we can have a little bit of fun here. So let me just call somebody. Hey Isabella.
Yeah?
Come here.
Yeah?
You wanna play a game? Just a fast game, quick game?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so here's the instructions. What you wanna do is pick these up slowly and make an entire tile like this again. It's like a puzzle, okay? Okay, go. Take them one by one and then try to complete the puzzle. Okay. Okay, put it there. It's fine and dandy. Just try to have fun, you know. Just a quick game. Okay, it's right. Your piece down. Okay. Okay, you're a natural. Alright, there we go, you finished. Alright, so did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
Well, here's a little prize for you. A big lollipop.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, you can go now.
No, thanks. Bye.
And, okay, so we have that now, guys. Now we're gonna take all of the pieces back out again. So it should be quick. Get to the actual tile setting. So to start us off, we have to make sure we have all of the right materials here. So to start that off, we have here the tile that we're going to use. We have thought. We have a bit of water here, and we have some adhesive. It's called mosaic, tile adhesive, and grout. Don't exactly know what grout is. So yeah, that's it. Here is a container to obviously contain the grout, and right here we have a 30 milliliter scooper to scoop out some grout and adhesive. Okay, so now that we have all of the items prepared, we're gonna scoop out some adhesive and grout. So right now, oh gosh, I'm gonna scoop out 10 scoops. Okay, that's actually more than I thought. Maybe 5 scoops. Let's see. Careful. That's the third. That's the fourth. That's the fifth. Alright, there we go. Set that down, set that aside. Look at these dirty hands. Alright, so after that, we're gonna pour in a bit of water equal to the amount of adhesive we scooped out, so that's fine. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5. There we go. Set this down there. Spilled a bit of water. And here we have also a trusty broken hammer. A hammer? It's not even a hammer. I'm sorry. This is a hanger, not a hammer. A broken hanger. This is what we'll use to stir this adhesive and grout, whatever grout means. I'm gonna stir that into a not too watery consistency. So hey guys, I've actually been stirring for a while here, and it looks to me that we're not reaching the proper right consistency of this adhesive. So what I'm actually gonna do is add a little bit more adhesive to this mix, just to try and get that consistency. Alright, that's 1. I think I'm gonna try and add 3. 1, 2. Three. Alright. So right now, we're not gonna use any water. We're gonna stir this. Ooh. It's all sticking. Oh no. We need water. We need water. We need a bit of water. Wait up. I have to save us wait up. Just a bit of water. Alright guys, been stirring for a while now, and I think we have hit the right consistency of this adhesive, and since we're done with this, we can now actually pour the adhesive that we've stirred a long while ago and spread it out evenly without messing it up. As you can see, my workplace is a bit dirty. Alright, so what you'd want to do right here is carefully lift it up. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Alright, so slowly do that. Slowly but surely, guys. Okay. I'm not making it too good, but that's alright. Good enough. Okay, I'm just not talking too much right here, because I really don't want to mess this up. Otherwise it'd be a big mess. So like this, it's okay if you don't do it perfectly. We're all fallible. Got some thick parts. Alright, so that's all of the adhesive. Now, we're gonna be a little creative in spreading all of this evenly. We're gonna take this tile, any tile should do, should have this kind of edge to it. So what you want to do is do it like this. Carefully. And do it like this. So you cover, we got some adhesive right there. Make sure you cover everything. Just be careful with this. Hopefully, this is enough to cover the entire area. Okay, just a bit more. Okay, hold on. Put all of those back. Okay, so I think we've covered all of the tile surface here. So let's get into the actual house setting. So what you want to do here is be very delicate about it. Make sure you don't let it fall on itself. You want to guide it through all of this. Gotta be careful about it. Okay, in the end, and there you go. Now you want light little presses up here on the sides. Yep, just like this, light little presses, and down the center, there. Alright everybody, that's all, and that's how you fix a broken tile. So, yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, see y'all in the next one.